I send my to the totally red.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today here at Mile High Customs, we have this Tesla Cybertruck that was previously wrapped by someone else, and the customer brought it back to us to remove this vinyl wrap and to protect it with color paint protection film. We are going to be going with a pure PPF metallic red hood color, which is a color that we've done on another Tesla Cybertruck, and we're going to be installing it on this bad boy right here. Centennial has already removed a lot of the passenger side, so if you guys come over here, you guys can see it's back to the stainless steel body. Luckily, there is no stains or anything like that. There is a little bit of discoloration on the stainless steel. If you guys can see, there's a little bit of kind of like these lines, but we are gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up, play bar it, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the new color. We are also gonna be topping it off with ceramic coating, and then that will pretty much do it for this Cybertruck. So let's go ahead and check in with Centennial. Let's go ahead and get the pieces of the color paint protection film plotted and start on the new color. What's your name again?
Centennial.
What's your middle name?
Salvador Floyd. I got two of them.
I didn't know that. All right, this is Centennial. You guys probably know him by now. He is our vinyl rapper.
But I'm not a rapper.
Also learning some PPF. I shouldn't say learning. He does PPF. He's going to be doing the PPF on the Cybertruck. Yeah, without further ado, here's Centennial.
So as you guys can see right here, I am removing the wrap from this Cybertruck. It does stick pretty well to the metal. It bonds pretty well. I'd honestly say a little bit better than paint, but as you can see, like right here, some people have said like that it leaves like previous like etching marks and stuff like that. As you can see, I mean, as far as like myth busting goes, it don't look like no etchings going on here, and I'm even pulling like hard away from the surface. And I mean, so if you're worried about that and you got a Cybertruck, don't worry about it. Come to us and we'll take care of you. So basically, I got like this like wrap, it's coming off type. It's like no. So as you guys can see here, we're just getting the wrap all removed up. Then we're gonna clean up the little bit of adhesive it left. Didn't leave too much, just a little tiny bit on the edges here. We can get that probably removed with some 90% alcohol. And then I'll get back with you guys once we're finally putting some PPF back on the vehicle. Gotta switch the hands for the heat gun.
What's up, guys? We are finally finished with, again, our hate it or love it Cybertruck. Again, this vehicle comes from a client of ours that has done multiple Cybertrucks with us. I don't know if you remember the last one. We had like a black bronze look for them. So that was a previous Cybertruck that they had, but now they brought this one into us. So when this vehicle originally came to us, as you guys saw, it was in a different red. The vehicle already had the fuel wheels on it. So he said, look, Marcus, I want you to get me something that kind of matches these wheels because I don't like the previous wrap on it. So we decided to go with a full PPF, take the vinyl off, go with a full PPF. This particular PPF is pure PPF and a metallic red hood. So we thought this PPF would line up really good with the red on the fuel wheels. He wanted the metallic gloss in the PPF. He is definitely a gloss guy, so we went with that. We always ceramic coat for him. He loves ceramic coating. Even though the material also has a hydrophobic layer, we just want to add that extra hydrophobic layer for it, add a little bit more UV protection for him, and just keep that metallic gloss in the whole time. When it comes to emblems, he says, listen, just do what you want to do. I want my emblems on the vehicle, so do what you want to do. So we decided to go with the gloss black on the side for the foundation series, but then we changed a little bit for the back. So let's take a walk to the back of the vehicle here for you. We did something a little bit different this time. We did keep the foundation series on the top in the gloss black, but we decided to emboss the logo here at the bottom. So the kind of the cyber beast look there for you, the three-headed, whatever they, you know, Cyberus, wolf beast, whatever you want to call it. We wanted to emboss it. We wanted to do something different for him. He was cool about it. He said, again, do what you do. We love what you do. We'll leave it on our hands. And again, guys, we always love when customers kind of give us free reign to do what we love to do. But again, I hope you guys guys like it. Let us know what you think about the embossed look. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Let us know in the comments. But again, guys, we did finish this off. Another Cybertruck here in pure PPF's metallic red hood with the fuel wheels. So let us know what you think as far as the PPF is concerned. Did we hit it with the red hood metallic from pure PPF? Did it match up with the wheels good enough for you? What did you guys think of the embossed logo in the back with the gloss black emblems on the side of the vehicle? I guess feel free to comment below. We'll catch you on the next one. Another Cybertruck in the books. It's Mile High Customs. We out of here. Peace out.